Blech. Oh, pirates. Oh boy. What? I haven't been here before.
I'm waiting for it to load still. Okay, there we go.
Ha! I got it before someone else.
Do I remember how to play this game?
Ah! Oh wait, I have been here before, I remember. So don't fall into the water.
Tell me what to do!
Water bad. Water kill.
Because that's
You
the
just
sound of opening chests.
slurp it up.
What, you don't slip chests?
Oh my word. Not this.
It's okay, I got a chest.
You're a detective. That's funny.
Dang it, I don't remember how to play this game!
Ah! 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 No! I died.
Apparently you did.
Maybe we can get at least one win in this.
I doubt it.
Maybe. Oh, it's this place. Zoom.
Automatically keep
Who, you?
No, somebody.
Or, oh.
So many people are dead. What in the world happened?
I don't know.
Need to identify the body.
No, someone was banned for killing at random.
I wonder if it's where everyone's dead. Oh, I found a bunch of bodies, but they've been identified. Looks like. What does it look like when people have been identified?
They have, their head is on the zombie.
Oh, okay, cool. Then yeah.
Oh, I think I see you down there.
I don't know where you are.
I'm on a bridge. I see you. No, behind you. Hello.
Hi! Where's the thing?
The what? The what?
The main concept of this game. I thought that's
The
obvious.
tester?
That.
I don't know.
Alrighty then.
Just follow the compass. It will tell you.
Oh, it's down here.
There's like 5 people left.
It's right here, Abby.
Where? Uh-oh.
Below
Uh-oh.
the middle
Uh-oh.
bridge. What's the matter?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where are you?
Uh-oh. Not there. Ah! That was the worst place to
Hey, guess
go.
what?
No!
I
There
didn't
was
do
someone
anything.
chasing me.
I was a traitor and didn't do anything.
Ah! No, oh wait, I got it. Never mind. I thought I lost anywhere, but I did not.
I found you! Hi!
Hi!
If you're a traitor, don't kill me until, like,
I
it's
don't
just
even-
traitors in it. There's people at the top above where I saw you.
I got it!
There's so many people.
As in, I got the iron sword.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
somebody
I'm a
skinned Shrek.
detective.
I just got punched for no reason. Bruh. How
jeez.
do I simp? You don't. I do, but how?
People are dying. Where? I'm not sure.
You know where you saw me?
Yeah.
They're punching each other there.
Oh.
It's above there.
What are people doing?
They're punching
Ah!
each other. And then
think
Shrek went
I
and hit
died.
the corner with his face down because...
I got killed again.
I see your body!
Wait, it says that.
Since you're dead,
Yeah.
I'm a traitor. Again.
Zoom.
I didn't do it. Oh, hey, the game finally... did it load? There we go.
Whee!
Yeah, for some reason, things just don't like to load.
It's always nice when that happens.
It's like every game. I think it's probably because it's a laptop, but you know, that's
Probably.
I haven't found a single chest yet.
I have found all of the chests that I need. Hi!
What do you think you find?
Okay.
I might just be blind. I also like.
I mean, that's entirely possible.
I like being on top of the structures, so. There's supposed to be enough so that everyone can get. Oh, correct?
I think so.
Or everyone can get their number.
Oh, goodness gracious, people are dying.
Oh. He's already dead. I hear a puppy.
I hear a puppy being yelled at. Zoom. Look at all these
I don't know
people.
where the
Goodness
chest is.
gracious. People are dying.
Yeah, I'm near those people. I have an empty potion bottle. That's it.
Oh, ah!
I'm dead.
I actually killed someone! I'm a traitor, by the way.
Oh.
Did you? That was actually really easy to kill him. Unlike every other time that I try and kill someone. Where is everyone?
I very much prefer like prop hunt. Or like those.
Hide and seek?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not good at PvP.
I'm good at hiding.
Yeah. I win. I killed someone.
I'm good at being a chicken and
What?
punching myself
Oh,
into the wall.
you got the most innocent karma, which is also 0.
Woo!
Ooh.
Welcome to Club Eyes. This is the voice the twins in my campaign were going to have, but it takes too much effort. Oh yeah.
Paja.
Wow, I immediately got 2 chests. They were right in front of my face. I'll look at
Oh
their one.
yeah, well I got 4.
Or another chest there. And I just started
Oh,
doing
I
it.
already opened
So
mine.
I'm gonna take it. They're try cooking it.
Get on one of the speakers. Ha! What are you doing over there?
Nothing. I mean, she totally punched him first.
Got him. Ah! Ow. I guess it reset.
Man, I love when I spawn and I'm like, ooh, chest, and then it actually loads and there's not a chest there because somebody picked it up. It's just great. It's the best feeling in the world. Okay, I found the chest.
Oh no. Someone else is here to get my prize. My indoor chest. Got it. Another chest.
I regret this.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Uh-huh.
I haven't killed anyone.
Uh-huh.
I'm just half glitched into a wall. And also in the webs. Okay, we're good. We're not in the webs.
Is there anything over here? Oh.
Why is... Okay, apparently I'm shaking because the mouse was moving like crazy. Oh, it's because of the mouse that's part of the laptop.
What?
The side of my hand was touching the laptop pad.
Oh.
So, like, my screen's been shaking this entire time. And I've been like, what the heck? and now it's fine. Unless my hand barely bumps it.
You're sus. Oh, that's punch. Ah! Ow. Well, I didn't do an outro on the other one.
Ow!
So.
I hit the bookshelf.
Bye.
Bye!
Eat food.